Dear students, in last video, we show that all irrational numbers are also real numbers. So we can represent them on number line. You know Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and also a mathematician. He is famous for the Pythagoras theorem, named after him. He was the first to discover the numbers which are not rationals around 400 BC. These numbers are called irrational numbers because these numbers cannot be written in the form of a ratio of integers. We know that there are infinitely many rational numbers. Same way, there are infinitely many irrational numbers also. A real number is either rational or irrational. So, we can say that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line, and also every point on the number line represents a unique real numbers. So, we can say that we can represent irrational number on number line. Let us see how we can locate some of the irrational numbers on the number line. For that, Pythagoras theorem. Root 2 is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square. Here I will show that ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. AB is 1 and BC is 1. Then AC will be root 2. How to construct this? For that, let us draw a line first. Now, if I will take unit of 1 centimeter, then the construction will be very small. That's why now I will take 1 unit is equal to 4 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 4 centimeter. Now I am taking one point on this line. I will denote it as O. From O, I am taking 4 centimeter, which represent 1 unit. 4 centimeter, this point I am getting, I will denote it as A. Now, here you can use a rounder or you may use a protractor. And with the help of this protractor, take help of protractor and draw 90 degree here. And on this line, take 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter means 1 unit. Understood? So here I can say this is 1 unit and this is also measure 1 unit. I will denote is as B, point B. Now draw a line segment OB. OB is root 2 as you have seen. Now take a radius of OB and draw one arc here, this way. Now you are getting a point here. This point represents root 2 on number line. Now for root 3. Root 3 we can write here Pythagoras theorem like this, root 2 square plus 1 square. So again we need to draw the same construction, but from that only we will draw root 3. For that again I am drawing a number line. On that I am taking O as a point. 4 centimeter means 1 unit I am taking, and the point I denote A. Again I will draw 90-degree, and on this 90-degree I will take one point. For 1 unit means 4 centimeter, denote with B. Draw line segment OB. Take arc of OB, arc of radius OB. This representing root 2. Now from this point again I can draw a 90-degree. Now for this 90-degree, on this 90-degree again I will take one point for 1 unit. This I will denote as C, point C. OC. Draw a line segment OC. OC represents root 3. Because this is one unit and O to this point, we may denote it as D point. OD is root 2. Root 2 square plus 1 square is equal to root 3. So root 3. Now take radius as OC and draw an arc. I am getting this point. I will denote it as E point and we may write it root 3.